In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete organization in Zoho CRM. This process is an important administrative action, so it is best to be sure before you continue. Deleting an organization is usually permanent, and it can affect data and access across your CRM environment. With that in mind, follow along carefully as we move through the Zoho CRM settings. First, open your Zoho CRM account and look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there, which is the Setup menu. Go ahead and click Setup, the gear icon in the top right. Taking this step is necessary because the delete option is found in the Settings area, not in the main CRM workspace. When you click it, you will be taken to the Administrative Configuration page where account and company controls are managed. Next, within the Setup area, you will want to locate Company Settings. It is typically shown under a section labeled General, or you may see Company Settings listed within the General Administration options. Click Company Settings when you find it. This matters because the ability to delete a CRM account or organization is tied to company-level configuration. Once you select Company Settings, the page will refresh, and you should see a variety of administrative controls related to your CRM instance. Now, you will need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Take a moment here and move slowly, because some controls appear only after you pass the main settings fields. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom area. This step is important because the delete option is usually placed toward the end of the configuration page for safety and visibility. As you scroll, look for a section that includes account-level actions rather than regular preferences. When you reach the bottom, you should see an option labeled Delete CRM Account. Click that option. At this point, Zoho CRM is about to proceed with an account deletion workflow, so make sure you are clicking the correct button. Many settings pages include multiple destructive actions, but you are looking specifically for Delete CRM Account. After clicking it, the system will likely trigger a confirmation prompt. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental deletions, so it is a normal and expected part of the process. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. Follow the on-screen confirmation steps exactly as they appear. The prompt typically asks you to confirm that you want to delete the CRM account or organization, and you may be required to acknowledge the action before it completes. Once you confirm, the deletion process will start. Depending on your account setup, it may take a short time for Zoho CRM to process the request, so do not interrupt the page or navigate away until the action finishes or the confirmation message updates. After the confirmation completes, you can consider the process done. You may also notice that access or available resources change once the organization is removed, since deletion affects the entire CRM instance associated with that organization. For that reason, it is a good practice to review any follow-up messages Zoho CRM displays after deletion. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.